In this video, we will see how to get a local date without time in Java and also local time without a date. Starting with JDK 8, we can use this. First, I'm going to import Java time local date for Java dot time dot local date, and then I'm going to import Java dot time dot local time. And now in main function, I will create or get the object of local date, local date ld, and then I'm going to call a local dates function. Now it will run as a local date without a time, and we can print and see system out dot println and just uh, date, and then I can pass in local date. And if you want to print just a local time, then I can use local time object local time, and then local times function now to get back the local time object, and then we can just print out this local time without the date. This is going to be just time, and that will be local time, and just need to execute our program and check out the results. And you can see over here just a date and just a time. So this is a useful code if you want to look up just a date or just time. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.